With the Lok Sabha elections coming up, Deve Gowda-led Janata Dal Secular faces an existential crisis. The cracks within the party have been visible ever since the alliance with Bhartiya Janata Party. Due to dissatisfaction with the alliance, key Muslim leaders of JDS, including CM Ibrahim and other party members, have left the party. Meanwhile, senior Congress leaders Dr. Rehman Khan and UT Khader argue that JDS has become irrelevant in state politics. They believe the party's outdated tactics favouring the BJP and its efforts to undermine the Congress will likely fail in the upcoming elections. Moreover, CM Ibrahim expressed doubt about the durability of the JDS-BJP friendship. He predicts a potential return of Kumaraswamy to the JDS. He stated that the friendship between Deve Gowda's JDS party and BJP won't endure and Kumaraswamy will eventually have to come back to the fore.
JDS, after the assembly election, it has totally become irrelevant, and the alliance with JDS will neither help BJP nor will help JDS. JDS alliance is not going to affect Congress.
It is only to disturb the voters and benefit the BJP. We have to fight, united together, fight. When backward Dalits, minorities be intact and support Congress, ultimately other community 30-40% voters will come.
24 में जो इन्हों बोल रहे हैं, 25 में जो वो बोलेंगे इन्हों वहाँ ज़्यादा दिन निप नहीं सकते. ऑलरेडी अशोक वहाँ प्रेसिडेंट लीडर होगा, इनका जूनियर येडियुरप्पा का बेटा प्रेसिडेंट, उसके पीछे जा खड़ेंगे इन्हों. अब बीजेपी में फट रही उन्हों अलग अलग हो गई. इन्हों सुनील सीने गई वहाँ, बाबा तेरी पैंट सीले तो उनकी सीने का रंधे. हाँ, उन्हें यत्नाल को बात करने जा रही, कुमारस्वामी वो अश्वत्थ नारायण को बात करने जा रही, नई बाल लड़ों को कर रही. उन्होंने वहाँ लड़कों मर ले रहे, बकेटा पकड़ ले फिर रही, इन्हों भी जो है बांडली लग गई वहाँ. ये हालत जो है हमें इख्तिदार ने इज्जत के साथ, विखार के साथ, आत्मा में गए तो भी इज्जत है, दिल साफ है, तो इसलिए हमें जो है कुमारस्वामी दोबारा यहाँ आना पड़ता, उन आती हो यहाँ.
What is your opinion about this? Has the JDS become irrelevant in Karnataka? Do let us know in the comments below.